here. It's our table. Thank you. Oh, they have the Taiwanese set. Yung rice fluoro pan. Parang ganun. Wow, nice. They have glazed ham. Where's the ham? Ah, there. That's a ham. Glazed ham. Perfect. And then bacon. Oh, he will like it.
The bacon.
Sausage. Ah, dyan, bacon. Di, pakuha na tayo. Let's go with the omelette, B. Ha? Let's go with the omelette. Okay, pakuha tayo. They have a lot. Guys, and then we got dim sum. Okay, live noodle station. Okay, guys. So we're here at the Garden Cafe in Disneyland. We're having breakfast, and dito kasi they have two seating. So they have like the 7:30 seating and the 9:30 seating. So ang ano dito is you have to be early para makapasok kayo kasi ang bilis siya mapuno. 7:10 or 7:20 we're already here and may line na. My first plate, I got dim sum, I got this noodles and then siomai and then I don't know what this is but baka ano to, pork bun. So this Mickey Mouse is here! Mickey Mouse! Going back, I got the sausage, the chicken teriyaki, right, and then omelette, guys. Done with breakfast, and eto na, I got the print out of our picture. So guys, 168 Hong Kong to. Pagka-identity ko kasi kanina ay pagka bumili ka ng 168, they will give one hard copy. Tapos may access sa lahat ng digital files. Yung pala, kung ano yung pinrint, yun lang din yung digital file na may access ka. Tapos if you want to access all, you have to pay 398. Dito talaga may communication gap. Hindi kayo magkaintindihan. Palaging iba yung interpretation ko sa pagka-explain. So, yun lang. Guys, ang lamig ngayon. 15 degrees, guys. Pero may naliligo sa pool. Grabe. Hindi man heated ang pool. Paano kaya sila nakakaya yung ganong lamig? So, naliligo. Saksakan ng lamig ngayon. Oh, grabe. Pero talagang sila ate ikayang-kaya. Pero silang dalawa lang. Silang dalawa lang. Diyos ko, ang lifeguard nga ay naka-bubble jacket. Tapos may nagsuswimming, guys. Naka-bubble jacket si lifeguard. Pero may dalawang nagsuswimming. Hey guys, so ready na kaming lumabas ulit. And we're here. Ready to go to the park. Disneyland Park. Let's go. Guys, yan yung Disneyland Hotel. And nandito tayo ngayon sa pila ng bus. Naiwan kami eh. So, nabalik. This is inside the bus. Oops. Wancha. Hi, Wancha. Guys, so we're gonna go now to Disneyland Park. Here guys at the park, we're back in the park and we'll just go to the tickets. So guys, we're back here at the park. The boys are still there. Naiwan ko sila guys. We were just here last night and we're back again today. Where are the boys? Oh, the boys are there. Wancho! Mia! Guys, so pipicture naman kami dito kay Mickey Mouse. Here. At tara, si Christian muna. We're gonna ride the train later. Yay! Let's go to the train station. Going up. Then, akit tayo. Up. Pwede rin siguro dito. Exit. Dito. Follow Mia. Mia is our leader. Go, Mia. Okay. All right. Okay, here, Mia. Dito tayo. Okay. Nag-worry si Marley.
歡迎乘搭香港迪士尼樂園之路。歡迎乘坐香港迪士尼樂園鐵路火車。End of the Jungle River Cruise. Explorer boats travel train stops. Gather your belongings and set carefully from. 各位新加入嘅朋友，歡迎你哋乘搭香港迪士尼樂園鐵路。To those who just
right here to Toy Story Land and look for Mr. Potato Head. It's a Merry Christmas here in Disneyland. Here at the main street. Ayan na, Wancho. Wancho, we're here. Tayo sa Grizzly. Sakay tayo dun sa Grizzly. Ha? Guys, we're here sa Toy Story Land. Ito yung favorite ng anak ko. Favorite kasi niya si, Woody, si Buzz. Ayan na. Ako, excited na. Want to go? Buzz! He's here. Akyatin yan. Nahanap niya. Ito yung corn beef di ba? Yung masarap na corn. Oh, walang PhilharMagic, guys. Sa carousel. Ayan siya, Wanche. Guys, kaabang kami ng food. Yung husband ko ay bumili ng lunch. Hirap dito sa Disneyland. Wala kang maupuan na table. Wala kang maupuan table. So, dito lang kami sa bench. Sa bench lang kami kumakain. So, guys, hindi ko na napakita yung food. At kami, gutom na gutom. Gutom na gutom ang bebe. So, in-order lang naman namin ng chicken. At tinan nyo naman ang ketchup. Oh. Puro ketchup na lang. So, the usual. Dito lang naman yan. Sa Fantasy World. Guys, hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo, but si Captain America yan. Ayan no, parang pinaparada siya. Nakikita nyo ba? Okay, guys, tuloy ang lakad. We're here at the Iron Man Experience. Actually guys, umalis na kami sa Iron Man kasi ang haba ng lines. Dito rin sa Orbitron ang haba kaya diretso na kami sa It's a Small World. Pasok tayo dito sa It's a Small World. And waiting time is 20 minutes. Let's see. Guys, papatungan ko na yung song na It's a Small World kasi baka makopyright tayo. Basta kung hindi pa kayo nakakasakay dito sa ride na to sa Disneyland, paulit-ulit na tugtugtugin yung song na It's a Small World in different languages. At meron nga dyang iba-ibang countries, pati Philippines andyan din. To be honest guys, pambata kasi siya talaga. Pero na-enjoy din siya ng mga seniors, tsaka ng mga ka-age ko. Actually guys, kahit hindi naman siya yung favorite ride ko, paulit-ulit ako sumasakay sa kanya kasi unang-una nakaka-relax sa paa. Kasi para kang nakasakay lang sa isang boat as nagku-cruise lang kayo sa loob. Tapos maganda yung song, maganda yung sight. So nakaka-relax. Kaya kahit hindi siya yung top 1 kumbaga na ride ko sa Disneyland, paulit-ulit ko pa rin siyang pinupuntahan. The carousel, the Cinderella carousel. Ginabi na kami guys sa Disneyland after naming mag-carousel ride and nakailang ikot pa kami sa Toy Story Land at nakailang rides din sa Slinky Dog Ride kasi yun ang favorite ng anak ko. Hindi na namin mahihintay yung parang firework show but at least inabutan namin ang fake snow show ng Disneyland na sobrang magical naman at enjoy na enjoy ang anak ko. Maghapon kami sa Disneyland guys mula umaga hanggang closing and yes, full of energy pa rin ang aking anak. It was a fun-filled and magical day in Disneyland. So yun guys, dito ko natatapusin ng Disneyland and uuwi na kami, babalik ulit kami dun sa bus stop. I hope you enjoyed this vlog guys. Sa susunod, lilipat naman tayo sa Chimshatchway. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you everyone and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!